Hey guys, welcome back for another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily replace the jet spray bidet in your washroom. I have this old one right here which I'm going to replace with a new one from Alton Bath Decor. This brand is not very common compared to something like a Kohler or a Hindware or a Jaguar, but recently on e-commerce you will find many different products from this brand, and I have already used this pipe that you see. This is the one from the same company, and this time for the jet spray as well I have ordered one complete set from Amazon. The link to purchase it is available in the video description. It's a nice looking jet spray with a push button at the back, and you can even press it from the top. So there are two different modes. One is the shower spray mode right here, and there is one more like a jet spray mode here. So depending on whether you press it from up or from down, that's the kind of water pressure that you would see. It's a nice chrome finish, also available in a gray finish as well, and in white plastic finish as well. It comes with the holder and also comes with the pipe. So the entire kit comes for in the range of 600 to 800 rupees depending on the discount available on that particular day, with the MRP being around 1800 rupees. Alright, so to replace this you need any simple tools. You don't really need to have this big wrench. Even if you have a small wrench or a spanner like this, that would suffice. All you need to do is first make sure that the main tap is turned off. Make sure you spray and see that there's no water flowing, because if it's on, then the moment you disconnect this, it will start splashing water all over you. Then if it's, you can check if it opens up with just little pressure like this. I didn't even need to use any tools for this. If it's not very tight, you can easily take it off and then keep the old jet spray aside and take the new one and simply screw that onto the pipe just like this. Make sure it's nice and tight. Once you fixed it, you might want to tighten it with the wrench, but that you can decide based on once you start spraying. If you see any leakage from this area, then you need to tighten it. Right, let's go ahead and test it out. Okay, I'm gonna spray from the bottom first. You can see it's a very nice strong jet. You can adjust the pressure by adjusting this knob. This will slightly reduce the pressure, and if you want to keep it on full, you can do that as well from here. And then the other mode is where you would have the spray coming out from the top, from this 3-hole spray section that you see. So I'm going to press it up, so you can see it releases a slim kind of jet spray from the 3 holes at the top like this. So these are the two modes. It can fit into your existing holder as well, or just like that, or you can simply with a screwdriver take off the old holder and fix in the new holder. Overall, I feel this is a value for money product. It's got a good design. Yeah, it looks pretty premium, just like any of the Kohler products that you might buy, and it comes with a warranty as well. And overall I've been satisfied using Alton products. So that's how easy it is to replace your jet spray. Let me know your experience and what kind of brands and products you like to use in your washroom. Do leave your feedback in your comments below, and do subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.